What is culture morbus?
Okay, so culture morbus is a very complex terminology. First, let's start by, before we get into the definition of the word, let's start by recognizing the fact that according to DNA, our human DNA is, we're basically 99% the same if you were to put our DNA into a petri dish. That's important because that means that all of our perceptions regarding race are based on inaccuracies. If we're 99% the same, then we're much more same humanistically than we could ever be different. Culture morbus is a social disease. The word morbus is the Latin terminology for disease. And it basically defines this idea that we have that we're more different than we are the same. So you can be early stage culture morbus, you can be late stage culture morbus. The problem with the term is that race might not actually exist in the same terminology that we think that it exists. It's actually more of an idea than anything else. If you read my second book, which is called Motivation, Psychology, and the Black Employee, what Maslow forgot to tell you, you get to see an introduction to what culture morbus is, how it ties into the definition of race, and why it's an important concept for us to recognize.